Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be doing
4th of July snacks. So, let's
flip
flip the page. What are you doing? Okay. So before you cut your strawberries, always wash them first. First thing you're going to want to do is cut strawberries into slices. After that, you're going to put granola into a cup. Then you're going to place strawberries on top of the granola. And you could choose whether to use Greek yogurt or whipped cream. In this case, we decided to use whipped cream. And then you're going to place blueberries on top. And that is your first snack done.
So the first thing we're going to want to be doing is placing a hard chocolate into a cup. After that, you're going to have to put it in a microwave for 20 seconds. You're going to take it out and mix it, and then you're going to put it back in the microwave for another 20 seconds, and you're going to mix it until it's melted. And then you're going to cover up your pretzel with chocolate, however you want, if you want a lot of chocolate or, and then you're going to be putting M&Ms on it. And for this one, I'm just putting chocolate and covering it with blue sprinkles and M&Ms. So when you're done decorating the pretzels, what you're going to do is you're going to put them in the fridge so they could get hard and yeah. And after you're done with that, this is how it ends up looking.
So for this snack, you're also going to be using melted chocolate. So you're going to be dipping the strawberries into the chocolate. Just a tip, don't dip them all the way. Then you're going to be decorating the tip of the strawberry with blue sprinkles. So after you're done with the strawberries, put them into the fridge so that the chocolate could harden up. At the end, these strawberries will end up kind of looking like 4th of July colors.
So the first thing we're going to be doing is cutting the sandwich in half. For this one, we used M&Ms and Pop Rock. It's up to you how you really want to decorate it, but this is what we decided to go with. Now let's take a moment to enjoy the nice sound of the Pop Rocks popping. And we also used the blue to make it look pretty. So after you're done decorating your sandwiches, you're gonna put them in the freezer and you're done. And this is how it turned out to look.
So for this 4th of July drink, you're gonna be putting ice into a cup, not fully. Then you're going to be putting cranberry juice into 1/3 of the cup, then placing more ice into the cup. Then you're gonna be putting Gatorade into the second third of the cup. You're gonna have to pour in the juice really slow because these drinks could mix if you pour it in fast. The way you do this is that you have to put the drink that has more sugar at the bottom and the least amount of sugar on the top. So then you're gonna be putting the blue Gatorade on top. Remember, pour slowly in. Then little by little, you're going to see results: red bottom, white in the middle, and blue at the top. And that is your 4th of July drink. And seriously, you guys, these drinks were really refreshing, plus they were fun to make. And this is how everything turned out to look at the end.
And you're done, and this is how it turned out to look. So, this is how everything turned out to be. Our drinks.
These are a couple
of... And this is not healthy. None of this is healthy. Just a reminder. But it's delicious. Not healthy, but delicious. You know. Let me try this one.
I want to try the ice cream.
Oh my god. This is so bomb. Come on, let's try one of these. The right side. Oh, it is juicy. The juice is delicious.
Hiccups.
Do you want to taste this? Too bad you guys can't come over there. We get a little messy,
you guys.
You get a little messy doing this, but that's the point of it.
Sorry, you guys. I have the hiccups, so don't mind me. I don't know how I got the hiccups. So these are snacks that we created that you guys can also create. So have fun this 4th of July, be safe, be careful, and enjoy your 4th of July. Well, you guys, we hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully this gives you guys some ideas of what you guys could do for your 4th of July.
So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. And stay tuned for more videos.
Bye! You know they say you get hiccups if you like eat fat. But I haven't even been eating it till now.
I'm sure. Oh my gosh, is that my hair? Oh, I thought I got that.